Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is 12 years on a high sugar diet, and I'm going to show you what I ate today. I did a fasted strength training workout at 11 a.m. and I broke my fast with a juice, a homemade juice at 1 p.m. So this thing had apples, celery, and cucumber, so a good way to start it off. And if you're new to my channel, I typically fast until around 1 p.m. and I do my workouts fasted usually around 11 a.m. I've been eating a high sugar, high carb diet for about 12 years. I do add some fats and protein, so it's not sugar only. This is a maintenance routine. If you're looking to lose fat as quickly as possible, you just cut the fat completely. But once you're shredded, you can do a maintenance routine like I got going on, where it's a high sugar diet, high carb, but not carb only. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm showing you how I do it. Then at around 2:30, I made a smoothie. It had 7 bananas. Now these were frozen bananas, and the way I do it sometimes is I freeze the ripe banana and then I throw it in a bucket of hot water for about 4 minutes. It kind of thaws out and the bananas come right out. So in this smoothie, I had 7 frozen bananas. They were nice and ripe before I froze them. It also had 4 dates, and then it had a splash of coconut water and a splash of almond milk. Blended that up in the Vitamix, and that made a little bit over a liter. So I take my time eating this. I usually, for something like this, it's not too thick, so it probably took about 30 minutes, and it was super delicious. Try that one out. Let me know what you think about that smoothie. Then next up at 5 p.m. I made a big salad. It was a big bowl of mixed greens. I had a cucumber in there, an apple, some carrots, some dates, and an avocado. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. I had a huge bowl of rice with beans and hot sauce. I had 2 bowls of that, and I had a side of Mary's crackers with some hummus. So that was it for the day. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some recipes I make that I love and enjoy. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.